Hey guys, there's a 2017 Chevy 3500 that just got built by Krietz Customs. Gotta take a look at it before she gets away. Hey, Scooter from Krietz Customs, and guess what? We tamed the 3500. Now we're able to get up and close to see what we did to this truck. To start off, we're gonna go over the wheel and tire package. The wheel's gonna be a 20x10 Moto Metal 962. The finish is gloss black and milled, and it has a negative 24mm offset. That's gonna push the wheel out from the truck just a little bit, giving it a slight aggressive look. It is also gonna have a 3-inch lip because of the offset. The millings on this are gonna be on the rivets and on the top of the outside of the spokes. The tire is going to be a Nitto Grappler. The size is a 295/60 R20. The Grappler is one of Nitto's most popular tires and it's one of our favorites as well. We choose it because it's a great hybrid tire and it's going to be quiet on-road and has great traction off-road. The lift kit is going to be a 3.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit. We choose rough country because it is a less expensive brand, but that does not mean the quality is bad. Rough country is known for making very good quality products. With that being said, the total package of this build is a very nice looking build, and if you guys like the truck, check it out on our inventory at Krietz Auto. And if you want to build your truck like this, send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs, and I'll see you guys on the next one.